Hey, welcome in everybody. It's Deep South Russ. The other day you guys seen me in a live video starting to work on some of this, work on this 2021 Duramax. We're gonna do an engine swap on it. What had happened is the turbo came apart and sent particles through the remainder of the engine. So we've got a swap in progress here. I've got the cab up. I've got a fella here helping me today, a buddy of mine. This is Ian the Goose Godwin. Pretty good fella. We're here trying to get this thing kind of tore down and get it all the parts back laid out. I've got the other parts, all my gaskets and seals and stuff like that ordered for the engine that's going back in. It'll probably be a few days before those come in, so it's we'll take that time to get this one kind of tore down, get all the parts separated out, and ready, cleaned up to go on the new engine. Right now, what Ian's doing is he's pulling the turbo off. We're going to get it laid off. I have a new turbo to go back on, being that this one is came apart. So we'll get this one off, get the new one laid up here, and all the pieces that go to it, all the gaskets and clamps, to make sure everything's with it. Probably where I'm going to start pulling some of this tubing off this side for the exhaust, get the main exhaust loose from it. We'll maybe start pulling some bell housing bolts out, get the starter free, get all your converter bolts, all that stuff out of the way. Probably come in and start tearing some of the stuff on the front side of the engine down. But guys, stay with us, and you can kind of watch the progress. We're not going to put all this into one video, but we're going to do a little bit of shooting, give y'all a little bit of footage, but I'll continue to add videos.